Welcome to English Binglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English.
My journey to Canada to improve my English skills. Ever since I was a child, I had dreamed of traveling to another country. I wanted to see new places, meet new people, and experience a different way of life. But most of all, I wanted to improve my English. I've always believed that learning English would open many doors for me: better education, more job opportunities, and the chance to connect with people from around the world. For many years, I studied English in my home country. I attended language classes, watched English movies, and practiced speaking with friends. But I realized that I could not reach fluency unless I immersed myself in an English speaking environment. That's when I decided to go to Canada, a country known for its diversity, safety, and excellent education system. The day I arrived in Canada is one I will never forget. I landed in Toronto on a cold winter morning. The moment I stepped outside the airport, I felt a sharp chill on my face. It was the first time I had ever seen snow. Everything around me looked magical. The wide streets, the shining buildings, and people walking quickly in their warm coats. At first, I felt both excited and nervous. My English was not perfect, and I worried that people might not understand me. But when I spoke to the immigration officer and the taxi driver, they both smiled warmly and spoke slowly so I could understand. That small kindness made me feel welcome right away. I stayed in a homestay family arranged by my language school. My host parents, John and Mary, were very friendly and patient. They treated me like part of their family. Every evening we had dinner together and talked about our days. Mary loved cooking and she often taught me the names of ingredients in English while preparing food. John helped me with pronunciation and corrected my grammar gently. Living with them was one of the best parts of my experience. During the first week, I explored the neighborhood, registered for classes, and learned how to use public transportation. I got lost a few times, but each time I asked for directions. People were polite and helpful. That gave me more confidence to speak in public. A week after arriving, I started my English classes. The language school was full of students from different countries: Japan, Brazil, Mexico, France, Korea, and many others. On the first day, I was shy and quiet, afraid of making mistakes. But soon I realized that everyone felt the same way. We are all there for the same reason: to learn and improve. Our teachers were friendly and enthusiastic. They encouraged us to speak as fast as possible, even if our grammar wasn't perfect. We did group activities, role plays, and presentations. One of my favorite activities was the Cultural Exchange Day, where each student shared something from their country, food, music, or traditions. It was amazing to learn about so many different cultures while practicing English at the same time. Of course, life in Canada was not always easy. The first few weeks were full of challenges. I got lost several times while using public transportation. As months passed, my English improved more than I had ever imagined. I became more confident in speaking, writing, and even thinking in English. I could understand jokes, express my opinions, and hold long conversations without fear. My teachers noticed my progress and encouraged me to keep going. One of the proudest moments of my life was when I gave a short speech at our school's graduation ceremony. I talked about how studying abroad had changed me, not only my language skills but also my personality. I had become more independent, open minded, and confident. Now, when I look back at my journey, I realize how much I have grown. Traveling to Canada was not just about learning English, it was about discovering who I am and what I am capable of. I learned to adapt, to face challenges, and to appreciate the beauty of diversity. If someone asks me whether studying abroad is worth it, I would say absolutely yes. It's not always easy, but it's one of the most rewarding experiences in life. Canada taught me not only a new language, but also a new way of seeing the world.
Thank you, my dear subscriber, for being here with me. Your support means everything to me. I hope this story touched your heart. Until next time, keep learning, keep practicing, keep growing, and never stop believing in the power of consistent daily action. Share this video with someone who needs to hear this message. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.